So hello lovely people, welcome to my new channel. I'm Christine aka Permission to Edit. So I'm here with my new channel where I'm going to teach you a very simple method of drawing, and with this technique you can make any type of portrait. This is very simple method, and according to my personal experience this is very easy. And this is the app which I'm going to use today, and I always use this. This is very simple app, and so without wasting the time, let's get jump right into the video. So here I'm opening this app, and this is the interface, and from this icon you have to select your image. So this is, you can see it, here is the image, and now you have to click here and adjust your rows like this. You can increase the number according to you, as much as you can do it. And you can also change the thickness of the lines like this, you can see, and also change the color like this. But I'm going to have it as black. Now you have, and now click on this and it will be saved. Like you can see, here's the image, and now you have to count these all boxes like with here and here, and it's 15 from this and 10 from this. Now you have to measure your paper, your sheet, and copy the grid here. So as if my sheet is A4 sized, so I am going to take the grid about 2 centimeter, just like this, and now mark the points with the distance of 2 centimeter. Don't worry if your sheet is smaller than your grids, it's just okay with it. Like I'm having the grids 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I got this 15, but as you can see, it's not the total 2 centimeter. It's 0.5 centimeter less. Now here we've got all the grids. Now you have to join this, but to make it easy you can mark this here and here also. So as you can see, here we got our grid, and now you just take the photo and copy all the grids like yes, count the boxes 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and the 2. Now count on this 5, here's the 2. Now look at the image and follow the every shape of the image, like it's going like this and down in the other box. So as you can see, here we got our hairline. Just follow the grid and you'll get your portrait. I'm not going to draw the whole drawing. We will discuss about this in other video. So that's it for today. I will post the complete drawing after some time. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.